Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fluent English podcast, the show where learning English feels like chatting with friends. I'm Ben, and with me as always is the amazing
Lisa. Hi everyone, we're so happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends who are also learning English. It really helps our community grow.
Yes, and today's topic is one of my favorites, making new friends.
Oh yes, making friends can be easy in your own language, but in English, sometimes it's a bit scary, right?
Totally. You start thinking, what should I say first? What if they don't understand me?
Or worse, you forget all the English words you know and just smile awkwardly like, heh.
Hi ha. Yes, don't worry. We've all been there. But today, we'll help you sound friendly and confident when meeting new people in English.
Let's start with the basics. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you should do?
Smile. Always smile. It makes people feel comfortable.
Yes, and then you can say simple things like, "Hi, how are you?" "Hey, nice to meet you." "Hello, I'm blank."
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Great job.
You can also start small conversations with something called small talk. Easy topics like the weather, hobbies, or where someone is from.
Right. For example, you can say, "It's such a nice day today." Or, "Do you come here often?" "Are you from around here?"
Or if you're at an event, you can ask, how do you know the host? Have you tried the food? It's really good.
Haha, good one. Food is always a great topic to start a conversation. Everyone loves to talk about food.
Exactly. Talking about food can make anyone smile.
Now, once you've started the conversation, you need to keep it going.
Yes, that's the secret to making friends. Find something you have in common.
For example, if someone says they like movies, you can ask, "Oh, really? What kind of movies do you like?"
Or if they mention they like sports, ask, "Cool, do you play or just watch?"
And here's a good tip. Always listen carefully and show interest. Use expressions like, "That's awesome. No way. Really? Me too."
Exactly. Me too is such a powerful phrase when you're trying to connect. Let's practice. That's awesome. Really? Me too.
Great. You sound super friendly already.
Ben, do you remember when we first met?
Oh, yes. You were eating ice cream at that English workshop, and I said, "Hey, that looks good."
And I said, "You want some?"
Haha, and I said, "Of course." And that's how our friendship started, with ice cream and English.
See, sometimes making friends starts with something simple and fun.
Let's teach some magic conversation phrases that help you sound natural.
Good idea. Repeat after us. That's interesting. Tell me more about that. I've never done that before. What about you?
That last one, "What about you?" is the key to keeping conversations going.
Yes. If someone says, "I like traveling," you can reply, "Oh, me too. What's your favorite place you've been to?"
Or if they say, "I love music," you can ask, "Really? What kind of music do you listen to?"
Exactly. Don't just answer and stop. ask back. That's how conversations become real connections.
Okay, Lisa, let's be honest. Sometimes conversations don't go perfectly.
Oh, yes. Like when you forget someone's name 5 minutes after they tell you.
Oh, that happens to me all the time. You can just say, "Sorry, I'm terrible with names. What was your name again?"
Yes, people understand. It's human.
Or when you say something and they don't hear you, and you have to repeat it 3 times.
You can say, "Sorry, what was that? Could you repeat that, please? Repeat after us. Sorry, what was that? Could you repeat that, please?"
Perfect. Now you sound polite and confident.
And remember, it's okay to laugh at yourself. If you make a small mistake, just smile. It makes you more likable.
Yes, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about being relaxed.
Okay, so you've had a nice chat, you laughed, you shared stories. Now what?
Now it's time to stay in touch.
You can say things like, "It was great talking to you. Let's hang out sometime. Can I add you on Instagram?"
Or if you're in a class or a club, "Are you coming next week? Let's grab a coffee after class."
Those are friendly, natural ways to keep the connection going. Repeat after us. "It was great talking to you. Let's hang out sometime. Can I add you on Instagram?"
Nice! You're officially ready to make new friends in English.
Now let's talk about cultural tips, because making friends in English can feel different depending on the country.
Yes. In many English-speaking countries, people are friendly but also value personal space.
Exactly. So don't ask very personal questions too soon, like, "How much do you make?" or "Are you married?"
Haha, yes, that's a little too fast. Start with lighter topics like hobbies, favorite movies, or travel.
And people love compliments. You can say, "I like your jacket. That's a cool accent. You have a great smile."
Just keep it friendly and respectful, and people will like you instantly.
Okay, Ben, let's do a quick role play.
Great! I'll be a guy at a coffee shop, and you'll be someone waiting in line.
Hi, the line is so long today, right?
Yeah, I know. I guess everyone needs coffee this morning.
I know, right? Do you come here often?
Almost every day. They make the best cappuccino in town.
Ooh, nice. I'll try that next time. By the way, I'm Lisa.
I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
See? Easy and natural. Just like that, a simple chat can turn into a new friendship.
Let's review the key phrases from today.
Repeat after us. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. What about you? That's awesome. Tell me more about that. It was great talking to you.
Fantastic. You sound more natural already.
So, my friends, now you know how to start conversations, keep them going, and make real friendships in English.
Yes, just remember, be friendly, smile, and show interest. That's the secret.
Before you go, tell us in the comments, what do you usually talk about when you meet new people?
We love reading your answers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Thanks for listening, and remember, every new conversation is a chance to grow your English and your friendships.
See you next time, friends. Bye!